play พี่บ้าหรอพี่เป็นสบายพี่จะไปยึดขมิ้น
Iaid Kjat u Conrad Arkanta Shiteng ban poi Siju u menteri rangba ka jilau Conrad ke sangma menta ka arpu arterik jiliu arjal arpu ar ula lej ban jurep yaki benta bala shop penjulor hagani ke jinglin shop ka Mariang ki jaka ki bahap apo ka South Garo Hills district ula jurep shaki benta jong ka karukol Siju hakabaula syang da kaling Arkanta bat na Siju sharongdong layat da ka Kjat Arkanta Shiteng ban yoi da laki jongki kmat ika jingtwa kendo kapala jur hadu ka takata na ka jingther uslabba hakini kisngi.
This is ya kunde rama kunde clear kana de public ni support ko panang gini public na magmak na kan to sobrang din teko may taknap niya na iya na wanaw dige sila lang madang sobrang din na baskin mo wa ko chamon ni naman na gini skande rama ko clear ka mo tige gini kan pa ko down ba okay
This was the road. It looks like a hill now.
New Year, no? New Year wish.
The road, This was again near road, and you see the road had almost become like a stream here again. This was the road. It just now looks like a stream. You can see Chief Minister ahead, trying to find the road of his own, crossing this part. This was the road, which now looks like a waterfall. with destructions everywhere around. This was the road, which now looks like a waterfall with destructions everywhere around.
Immediately give them home relief construction. If fully is damaged, so whether 1 lakh whatever there is there, be sanctioned, rearrange it, reappropriate it, whatever should be done, but don't wait for sanctioning of this. I'll get it, I'll prove it in sure, don't worry. Give it to them when they need it the most. Give it video. Is it better now? So it's better now. Mic yung atin nila. Kutsin na. Kusin atin. Kusin mo mo. We have reached the part where the JCBs are now there. This is the part they have to clear and move further to clear the other heavy landslides that are there ahead. Yeah, that's a nice pair of shoes you got. Yes, you know, I think going and clear the access as fast as possible. So I talked to MECL just now. They're saying that Karakul, the line is reached. So Karakul, they Karakul, Siju, and they're saying by tomorrow, Bakmara should be on by tomorrow. Okay. You'll go back?
Yes, sir.
From here, Paka?
No.
You want me to come back?
Rocky boulders, we took
too much
time. It was so difficult.
There is been bigger boulders than this. Bad. And you can see, there's still a lot of devastation everywhere. And the main reason this is happening is because both sides are cut off. And from neither side are big machines being able to come to clear these roads. And that's where this entire place is just simply cut off. And therefore, even to clear all these roads, this is the main road. The whole thing is collapsed. And in order for the machines to reach here, we have to get the connectivity from at least one side. So we're hopeful the next 24 to 48 hours, we should be able to get that connectivity. And hopefully then we'll be able to start clearing these roads. But that's the kind of situation that people are facing. We are also organizing airdrop through Air Force for the essential commodities so that people at least get the basic essential commodities in this location also. My God. Whole mountain is caved in. You can see down. The whole road has also fallen down.
Don't go.